Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fantastic product for tabletop gaming enthusiasts, the ultimate micro RPG book, 40 fast, easy, and fun tabletop games. We found this gem online and have included a link in the description so you can check the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the ultimate micro RPG book? This book is a collection of 40 unique micro role-playing games designed to be quick, engaging, and accessible for players of all ages and skill levels. Each game is easy to pick up, making it an excellent choice for both seasoned gamers looking for something fresh and newcomers eager to explore the world of tabletop role-playing games. One of the standout features of this book is its simplicity. Each game includes concise rules that allow for quick setup and play, perfect for those impromptu game nights or when you want to squeeze in a fun session without the commitment of a longer campaign. The games are varied in themes, ranging from fantasy adventures to sci-fi explorations, ensuring that there's something for everyone. Plus, the book is designed for flexibility. You can play with just a few friends or with a larger group, making it adaptable to any gathering. Who is this book suitable for? It's perfect for casual gamers, families looking for a fun bonding activity, or even experienced RPG players who want a quick diversion between longer sessions. It's also a great resource for teachers and educators who want to introduce creative storytelling and teamwork concepts in a fun, interactive way. Now, let's talk about some practical use cases. Imagine you're at a family gathering or a party where people may not know each other well. Pulling out the ultimate micro RPG book can spark conversation and creativity, breaking the ice and encouraging collaboration among participants. Or perhaps you're at a game night with friends, and you want to try something new without extensive preparation. This book allows you to dive right into the action with minimal setup. Each game also encourages improvisation and creativity, which can lead to